It is October the 9th, 7 a.m., 62 degrees. I'm here at 12340 Farmstead Drive in Frisco, Texas. We're going to pour this foundation this morning. As you can see, there's lots of guys here. You can also see that the sun hasn't come up yet. It's about to crest over these houses to our east. But we are here a few minutes before sunrise. Our pump truck is sitting there. It hasn't been set up yet, but our pump truck is sitting there. That's what we'll use. That'll sit out here in the street. The concrete trucks will back up to that, dump their concrete into the hopper in the back of that pump, and the pump will pump it up here to the foundation. So the guys are out here doing their last minute prep work. There's a few spots around the forms where the forms are a few inches above the grade. They're shoveling a little dirt into those places to keep the concrete from running out. Areas like this that you see right here. So when we pour the concrete, the potential exists for some of the concrete to ooze out through these cracks. So they'll shovel a little dirt up along those edges to stop that concrete from coming out. You may remember that from another update that the foundation crew had forgotten to put in the curb drop for one of the showers. These guys back here are working on that this morning. So they're going to get that done, to get that curb in for that shower. And in about an hour, we will have a street full of concrete trucks. The pump will be set up, and we'll be pumping concrete into this foundation to get it on the ground. We're going to pump about 240 yards of concrete. This is a 7,800 square foot slab. And it'll take us about 4 hours to pump out that concrete, and then another 6 hours or so, maybe even 8 more, to get it all formed up, not formed up, but get it all finished with the power trowels and the hand trowels. So these guys will be here for a long day. Our high today is supposed to be about 88 degrees, no wind, no clouds, so it's going to be a little hot out here this afternoon, but not terrible. And all things will come together, and by the end of the day, we'll have our final update and we'll have a foundation on the ground.